Here we are at Bauble. I'm just going to show you the progress. They had to cut open this little area here, which is going to be repaired tomorrow by John at Cell Ready Pro. Now I'm going to walk you along so you can see what they had cut up but now have patched. Starting here, sorry. And then a little bit on the other side. And then, let's see. We worked over here. And it's about 4:30 right now. He said it'll be done in about another hour. So they're repairing all of this.